First, a very warm welcome to all the aspirants out there from Admissions Committee at Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur. This video will help you navigate through the application form filling up process for the MBA 2026 and 2028 admissions. Let's get started. Now, make sure that you are in the correct website. This is the correct website you can check. Click on enter button, click on online applications. And if you haven't registered yet, so just register yourself first by clicking on this. Put your all the details over here first. After putting all the details over here, click on generate OTP and you will be getting a OTP on your email ID. Put that OTP on here and complete registration first. Registered successfully, you need to put your earlier email ID and password over here with the security code and login. So now after login, you will be redirected to personal details page where some of the details are already filled and some of the details are you need to fill. But here, just choose carefully the preferred location for interview. Choose it very carefully. The location and the time, choose it very carefully and fill all the other details. So after putting all the details over here, click on save and continue. After completing all the details, make sure that you are uploading your date of birth certificate over here. Check the file size and file format, and also the ID proof, the government ID proof you need to upload over here. And now, according to your category, upload your category certificate over here by clicking on this. And again, just check the file size and format over here. And after completing all this, click save and continue. And all the details and those three files will be saved, and you can go to the next section. And the next section is academic and experience details, where you have to upload the academic details over here and all the other professional and experience details. Let's put one by one. So put all the academics qualification details one by one. Class 10, class 12, and your UG. For me, my UG is in BTech, so I'll put BTech/BE. And please check that your marks in percentage or CGPA, put it accordingly. And as you can see in my UG section, the program duration is required, so I'll put it over here. It is 48 in months. And if you have an internship or professional certificate, you can put it over here. If you have multiple, you can add it from this button and put your CAT exam details over here, as you can see. And in experience details, you need to put your current company or previous company over here. If you have multiple, you can once again you can add by this button and just order it by the earliest to latest. And in reference column, you can put your UG friends or your colleagues details. And for fresher people, you can also put your principal or your professor details as a reference. After putting all this, just save and continue. After saving and continue, as you can see, all the details are saved. Now you need to upload the necessary documents of your 10th, 12th mark sheets and BTech mark sheet and your CAT mark sheet. And in experience certificate, you need to upload your experience certificate. In case you are not resigned yet, you are already working, then you need to upload you can also upload your offer letter, but your 3 months salary slip will be required for that. So after completing all the details and uploading all the necessary documents, you can go to the next section, which is photo and signature. Here, check carefully the photo and signatures, weight, height, and all that. Just upload it carefully. Upload the photo and signature. Save and continue. Okay. So once you have successfully uploaded photo and signature with the perfect specification and size. Click on no changes. All the changes are saved successfully, and now go to next section on payment. So as you can see here, you need to pay the fees of the application, pay online, and now you can go ahead with the payment. Click on proceed and complete the payment. If you face any difficulty regarding the payment, just wait for a few hours. If it's not solved, then you can also contact us. So after successfully completing the payment, make sure that you are taking a printout of the application form, because it will be very useful in future. And if you face any difficulty throughout, make sure that you are contacting us. You can contact us through our official website. Here you can click on contact us, and here you will get our details, our contact number and our email address, and also our admission committee's email address. You can always contact us through this.